Alright, Tasty is back, and in order to capitalize on the success of our most popular video, chocolate chip cookies, go check it out. This time we're gonna try and make Tasty's ultimate brownies. So grab your church shoes, strap in, and start churning butter because we're about to blast off!
What are you doing?
We're gonna make brownies.
That's all you have to say.
It was a Wreck-It Ralph joke. Here are your ingredients. First you need to take a 4-ounce bar of milk chocolate and chop it up into small pieces.
Take off that first layer. I'm gonna taste some.
And it's real.
Are you kidding? We're gonna be chopping it up anyway. You ate it!
Yeah, of course I ate it. Pour the chocolate pieces into the measuring cup. Add half a tablespoon of espresso powder.
You want half a tablespoon?
Yeah.
Half a tablespoon.
You want to look?
Yeah, go ahead.
We got a sightseeing tour now or what?
Jesus,
Much
you
further
spilled
would this
it.
stray off course? This is ridiculous.
Fix it. I fix it.
Fill another measuring cup with 3 ounces of cocoa powder.
Fill that up to 3 ounces.
Take 1 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa powder and add to the chocolate and espresso powder. Put the cocoa powder to the side, you'll need it later. Then set that aside and get a pot ready to melt the butter. Melt 1 stick and 2 tablespoons of salted butter.
With both hands, friends.
Fine. Fine!
Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks great.
Get, I swear to God. Can you see the butter?
Yeah, it does. It's entertaining as watching butter melt.
Pour the melted butter into the chocolate mixture.
I think we should put this in glass. Last time I put something hot in here, it melted through. Don't talk about how it's too late, because if we put something really hot in this, it will melt through.
It's not hot.
Touch it.
Jonah, didn't we put the same butter in the same measuring cup when we made the cookie?
Touch it!
Alright, put it in.
1, 2, 3, go.
Mix again.
Now we combine the sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, salt, and
We have
1 cup sugar.
1/4 cup dark brown sugar.
Okay, so it's 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon vanilla extract.
Is that 1 teaspoon?
Yes, it's a teaspoon. God.
Are you sure?
Oh, too late!
Do we put sugar in?
Yeah,
Brown sugar?
yeah.
Vanilla extract?
Yes.
Salt?
Yes!
Okay, now we do the eggs. I'm gonna do an overhead shot for the eggs.
Add 3 eggs to the sugar and mix.
Keep going. What are you doing?
It looks mixed!
No, I said they say to beat it for 10 minutes.
Oh!
Mix with a hand mixer for 10 minutes. They say it should look like cake batter. It's supposed to help with something. I forgot what it was. Next, pour your chocolate and butter mixture into the brownie batter. Once well combined, sift 1/2 cup of flour and the rest of your cocoa powder into the brownie batter. And mix. Pour the brownie batter into a pan lined with parchment paper and buttered all over. Add whatever toppings you like.
You really like close-ups. What is?
And you really don't like close-ups! Let them see the detail!
What detail? They're brownies.
Brownies that are gonna be baked.
Then bake for 20 minutes in a 350-degree oven. Then you're supposed to take them out and whack them and put them back in the oven for 20 more minutes. We didn't really have to do this because we put them in the wrong pan and they came out thinner than they were supposed to, but after that you're done.
We're done. This is like exactly the same. It's like almost the same lighting too.
No, but it was later. It was later.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna try these again.
Look at this. Look at the crispiness. It may be thin because we messed up, but I mean, who likes thick brownies?
Give it a second, Mama. We're filming. God.
How is it?
It's a brownie.
Right? Oh my god!
It's just a brownie. It's not bad, but it's just like,
They're okay.
oh.
I don't know.